So where you brought me today then?
Croyde Bay.
Croyde Bay?
Yep.
Now I think we have been to Croyde Bay before.
We're walking to Baggy Point.
We've definitely been to Baggy Point before. I've got a picture of me with just my shorts on at Baggy Point.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to show me that one.
I will.
I'm
not sure that I'm going to show it on YouTube though.
No.
Maybe my Twitter friends would talk me into it. Anyway, we're going to walk to Baggy Point. We're not allowed on the beach here with the dogs, so going to walk along the coastal path again, which is really nice. And Sheila and Joe are just catching us up. Yeah. All right then. Shall we go?
Yeah.
All right. This is Croyde Beach, also known as Croyde Bay. Lots of surfers out there today. We made it to Baggy Point. And it's not that windy, is it?
No, just don't step back too far.
No.
Or fall over the dogs.
No, because there's a bit of a drop back there.
Are you supposed to walk down to that bit?
Look up. You can walk down there, yeah. Yeah. Shall we walk down there?
Alright.
Alright.
With the dogs, it's going to be a bit awkward, don't you think? What do you reckon?
Give me one. I'll take one.
I'm gamely.
Now I think this might truly be Baggy Point. Baggy Point. Because we're right on the edge here of the. There's a few people down there,
On the right hand side.
but we've chosen not to. Go down that last little bit. Well, we decided to walk over the top of the hill of Baggy Point rather than the coastal path on the way back. So we've got a bit of a climb, and then we'll come down and see what the views are like at the top here.
Try to get the water you can't reach, mate. Do you want a drink? Huh? You want a drink too? You got a drink with you? Yes, that's got a drink. Bit windswept.